Hello guys, and welcome back to another video. So in today's video, I'm going to be talking about how you can get started with dropshipping on Shopify. So if you're someone out there who's been looking to sell physical products online, but you don't want to buy a ton of inventory in bulk without the assurance that it's going to sell, trust me, I've been there, okay? And it's not funny. It's watching all your inventory sitting there, tied up in stock and not selling, okay? So if you're someone out there who's been looking to get started with dropshipping on Shopify, and you're wondering how to get started, then you better stay tuned and watch this video till the end. So to get started with your Shopify dropshipping business, the first thing you want to do, of course, is you want to pick a niche. Don't be out here selling every single thing on the internet because you're going to confuse your audience, okay? And you're going to find it very difficult marketing your business, communicating your messages, and actually standing out from the crowd. Because why would they buy from you versus Amazon if you're selling exactly what they can purchase on Amazon, right? So you want to pick a niche, right? Don't be out there trying to sell everything to everybody and anyone because you're going to have a very difficult time standing out from the crowd, especially when you're just getting started. The best way to penetrate the market is to have a niche. If you don't have a specific niche, guys, of products that you're selling, it's going to be very difficult for you to stand out from the crowd, okay? So once you found a niche, the next thing you want to do is you want to head over to Creative Fabrica, okay? I'm going to leave a link below this video, guys, and that grants you access to an amazing discount. And you can get started for free, or you can actually upgrade to the premium version. Creative Fabrica is actually a graphic design platform where there's a ton of different designs that have already been created by different graphic designs that you are legally allowed to resell on your merch. You can sell that on your t-shirt, you can sell them on your hoodies, your sweatshirts, your mugs, journals, so many different designs, guys, that have already been created by professional graphic designers, okay? So with a niche in mind, let's say you wanted to start an online business that was targeting moms, for example, then you want to start looking into different designs that are motherhood related. So you can be looking into things that have the words mama and things of that nature, right? So we're trying to find different products that speak to our target audience. If you're into the empowerment niche, you want to be looking for designs that are around empowerment and things of that nature, right? If you're into travel, you want to be looking for designs that are travel related, okay? So here's what we're going to be doing with these designs, guys. We're going to be putting these designs on t-shirts, hoodies, sweatshirts, mugs, and different type of products, guys. And this is how you're able to start a business that actually makes you stand out from the competitors. You're not just out there dropshipping every single thing that everybody else is dropshipping from AliExpress, right? And looking like everybody else in the market. You're going to be selling unique graphic designs, right? And it just makes your brand appear more premium and more appealing to your audience, okay? Now, once you found a few designs on Creative Fabrica, what you want to do is you want to head over to printful.com. So Printful is a merch dropshipping platform. So they provide you with blank Canva templates. So anywhere from t-shirts, hoodies, sweatshirts, mugs, mats, bags, joggers, so many different products, guys. And these are blank templates, okay? So these are basically products that come with no designs. There's already so many factories in the United States, United Kingdom, Europe. They even have some in Japan, I believe. So there's already a ton of different warehouses, guys, that are actually producing these products for you. And all you have to do, guys, is you want to just get those designs from Creative Fabrica and then you want to upload them to your Printful designs, okay? So head over to Printful, guys, register for your free account. I'm going to leave a link again below this video, and that grants you free access to the Printful account. You want to sign up for your free account, guys, and then what you're going to be doing, you're going to be uploading your designs from Creative Fabrica over to your Printful canvas, okay? These are on your t-shirts, your hoodies, your sweatshirts, beanies, mugs, whatever products you want to sell, guys. You can upload your designs on those products and templates, okay? Okay, so now the next thing you want to do, guys, is you want to register for your Shopify account. Of course, it's Shopify Dropshipping, so you need to have a Shopify store. Now, at the time of recording this video, Shopify are currently doing a deal. It's just about $1 a month for 3 months. There's going to be a link below this video, guys, for you to check out. You can sign up for just about $1 or £1 at the time of recording this video. Now, I don't know if it's going to change when you're watching this video, but there's going to be a link below this video, guys, for you to sign up for the Shopify account. Literally like a box, you can have your online website up and running, okay? So register for your Shopify account, and then what you want to do is within the Shopify platform, you can connect your Printful account to your Shopify store. It's really, really easy to do, guys. And if you just go to the App Store, you can install the Printful app, and then that allows you to connect your Printful store to your Shopify website, okay? So what this means is moving forward, when you start selling your products, guys, Printful are going to automatically receive a notification to fulfill your orders and ship those products out to your customers. This is how passive this business can be, guys. You're literally building everything from the onset, and then moving forward, when people buy on your website, Printful automatically gets a notification to fulfill and ship out those products directly to your customers whilst you sit back and make your profit. Of course, the final step is marketing your business, because what's the point starting up a business if you have no idea how to market or sell your products and services? And I think this is where so many people struggle. So many people are creating content around starting an online business, creating a side hustle, doing dropshipping, but not a lot of people are telling you how to market your business and actually get customers and sales, which is where most people struggle. Like, anybody can start an online business for free, but if you have no idea how to market your business, you are not going to make any money. Okay, so now that you have your Shopify dropshipping store up and running, guys, you need to go and actually start promoting your products. I always recommend that you get some samples. Head over to Printful, guys. You can order samples of your products for literally nothing, and then you can start creating content around those products, or you can send them to influencers to start creating content around those products, guys, and then use that content to promote your products on social media. Focus on video content, because video content is going to rank much faster than any other piece of content, and that's the easiest way to stand out from the crowd. And then when you've been running your business for a few months, you can scale with paid Facebook ads. Don't make the mistake of trying to run ads immediately after starting your business. I see some gurus telling you guys to do that. Start an online business, go pay some ads, go pay for some ads and start making money. It doesn't work that way. Really think about it. When you're running an ad, you are still attracting complete strangers to your brand. And although you're going to get the data, it's going to be very difficult for you to turn those strangers into customers if your branding isn't right? If you don't have content on your social media, if they're going to your Instagram account and you have like one post from 10 months ago, they're not going to take your brand seriously and no one's going to buy. So you need to work on your organic marketing strategies first of all. So this means pushing out as much content as possible, working with influencers, guys, engaging with your audience. If you're struggling with engagements, get a social media manager. I can hook you up with a social media manager if you guys need help getting one, guys. And if you guys need help with marketing, of course, I've got a 52-week marketing system where I actually provide you guys with weekly marketing strategies every single week for an entire year. Okay, for an entire year, you're going to be getting access to 52 weeks, guys, of marketing strategies. So every single week, you are going to get access to a new marketing strategy telling you exactly what to do. It comes with action plans, it comes with checklists, and it's actually filled with actionable steps that can get you results, okay, if implemented correctly, of course, okay? So if you guys still need help with your marketing, getting customers, getting sales, check out the 52-week lead system. I'll leave a link below this video, okay? So I hope you guys found this video useful. Be sure to comment the link to your new Shopify store below this video. There may be someone out here who's interested in what you have to offer, and I would love to hear all your feedback and your results in the comment section. And again, if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Feel free to like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.